Step inside any Apple store and you immediately feel the energy. For an Apple Store manager, keeping this environment running smoothly means juggling inventory, hitting sales targets, and guiding dozens of employees through a fast-paced retail floor. To keep that team aligned, a manager sends a constant stream of messages. On any given Tuesday, they might write a routine schedule update, a positive shout-out for a successful sales week, a negative notice about a policy violation, or a persuasive pitch to motivate the staff for a new product launch. Handling that variety requires a reliable system. This is where the three-step writing process comes in. It is a method where you first plan your message by gathering your facts, then write the draft, and finally complete it by revising and proofreading. Recently, generative AI has entered this workflow. Generative AI is software that produces text or images based on a user's instructions. It is a capable tool, but using it incorrectly creates immediate risks for a manager's credibility. To use this technology correctly, a manager must draw a line between what requires authentic human leadership and what can be delegated to a machine. This diagram shows three persuasive elements: ethos, pathos, and logos. Trust, empathy, and logic must come from you. A machine cannot feel retail pressure or provide genuine empathy. AI has a strict boundary. Per BPP guidelines, use it only to review drafts or correct errors. It is an editor, never the core creator. In practice, this means the manager sits down and applies the three-step writing process manually. You outline the store's goals, you structure the argument, and you type out the initial draft using your own words and experiences. Only when that human draft is entirely finished do you open an AI tool. You paste your completed text into the prompt and ask the software to check for typos, fix punctuation, or suggest clearer phrasing. If a manager tells an AI to write a team reprimand from scratch, the resulting message sounds robotic and detached. Staff members recognize when their leader delegates difficult conversations to a chatbot, which often damages interpersonal trust and violates basic business etiquette. Persuasion requires the emotional intelligence of someone who understands the stakes. AI is simply there to ensure grammar doesn't distract from your message. Because AI is so powerful, using it carries strict ethical and academic obligations. In professional training and university assessments, hiding your use of AI is treated as a serious offense. This document is a standard declaration of original work. When you submit an assignment, you are required to formally declare how you used AI by selecting the specific permitted reasons, reviewing a draft, or correcting language errors. This flowchart demonstrates the retention rule. Every AI instruction and generated response must be copied and retained for the university's reference. You then attach these transcripts into your final submission's appendices. This clear paper trail proves your core ideas are original, protecting you from plagiarism accusations. To verify this, BPP University employs a safeguard known as a viva voce. A viva voce is a live oral examination where you answer questions about your submission directly to an evaluator. During this conversation, you must explain your key concepts, defend your chosen communication theories, and discuss your retail examples in real time, unassisted by digital tools. If you relied on an AI to generate your ideas, you will not be able to defend them aloud. Complete transparency about your process ensures your academic standing remains secure and your professional credibility stays intact. The most effective communication workflow relies on a simple division of labor. You, the manager, build the strategy and provide the emotional core of the message. The AI acts as your proofreader, polishing the language so your ideas are easy to understand. To do this ethically, you follow two rules. Formally declare the tool on your cover sheet and attach a complete record of your prompts in the appendices. When employees receive messages that feel human and authentic, they are more likely to stay with the company and collaborate effectively. High retention rates and clear internal coordination are the indicators of a healthy store. These are the specific results that ultimately drive a store's overall output. An algorithm does not have the lived experience required to lead a busy retail team.
Your unique voice is your most valuable asset as a manager. AI is simply the tool you use